Welcome this afternoon to Jo Woodward from Groundwork, North Wales.
Hi, Helen. It's a pleasure to see you again.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to ask you for your top 3 tips.
Okay.
Getting the most energy for your money.
Oh, what a great question. So my number 1 tip will always be make sure that you are on absolutely the best tariff you can be and paying in the most cost-effective way for you, whether that is by prepayment because it helps you to budget, or whether that's by shopping around for a good deal with direct debit because that's how you would access the cheaper rates. So then once you're on the cheapest tariff that you can be, my next top tip will always be find out how your heating works. How energy efficient is your home? Good way to find that out. If you've moved in somewhere quite recently, it will probably have an energy performance certificate, so you can find out on there how well insulated your home is. So if your home is well insulated, then you can almost let the heating kind of manage itself. So set your thermostat to 19, 20 degrees because that's the temperature most healthy adults would be comfortable at, and let it kind of manage itself. So heat that you're generating is being kept in. If your home's not so well insulated, then maybe think about learning how to set your timer, learning how to work your storage heaters if that's your heating system. So that's my top 2 tip. There we go, got there in the end. And then my 3rd tip is maybe do a bit of a kind of energy health check of your home and find out what kind of things you have in your house use lots of energy, and then look at ways that you can save. So people don't realize things like electric showers use a phenomenal amount of energy. So about 900 to 1,000 energy efficient light bulbs worth of electric. So think about, could I spend maybe a minute or so less in the shower each day, and those pennies will look after themselves. And also kettles. Average kettle, obviously, cup of tea, very important. Hydration, really important. Average kettle uses about 250 to 300 light bulbs worth of electricity. So probably that's more than you might expect. So again, think about only putting as much water as you need in your current kettle. So those are my top 3 tips. Number 1, get yourself on a good deal. You'll make some really big savings potentially. Number 2 is to find out how your house works. How energy efficient is my house and how can I get the best out of my heating? And number 3 is just find out what sort of appliances around your home use lots of energy and think about ways that you can maybe reduce that consumption.
Jo, that's brilliant. Thank you. And Jo's actually going to talk on Thursday, the 18th of March. He's going to talk at our tenant networks in a bit more detail about how to make your home work hard for you in terms of the amount of money.
Absolutely. Yes. So if people have got questions, maybe they can send them in beforehand, or we'll take questions on the day. So absolutely. Yeah.
Thanks, Jo. Bye.
You're welcome. Thanks, Helen. Bye.